Hello, Mai. Good evening. Hello, Mai and Sarah. Good evening. Can you hear me well?
Uh,
Can you hear me well?
yes.
Very good. So, how are you today, Sarah and Mai? How are you today?
Yes.
How are you today?
Happy.
Very good. All right. So, for our class, I'm going to implement rules. All right. So, first rule, I want you to listen attentively. Second, okay? Answer immediately. All right? That way, we will use our time efficiently. Okay. Oh, I have three rules by the way. By the way, first, be on time. Second, listen attentively. Third, answer immediately. So what is the first rule? Hello, are you still there, Maya and Sarah?
Yeah.
All right. So listen carefully to what I say. I don't want to repeat myself. Anyway, okay. First of all, next time, I want you to be on time. Set your alarm clock 5 minutes before our class. Our class starts at 8:30. So prepare by 8:25. Then join the Zoom at 8:29. Do you understand? Okay. Second of all, listen carefully to what I say. Third, answer immediately. Do you understand? That way, we will be able to use our time efficiently. And of course, if we use our time efficiently, you will learn more. Okay. So if you remember last time, we learned Unit 2 and we discussed the different clothings that these popular people used in this picture. Do you remember that? Okay. So look at this one. I want you to have a discussion. Listen to teacher and answer my question in exercise 5. Your turn, Sarah. What do you like wearing? What about you, Mai? What do you like wearing?
Um, I I wearing a dress.
Oh, you like wearing a dress. Very good. What type of clothing do you never wear, Mai? Then why? Yes, Mai?
Hello, teacher.
All right, Sarah.
Oh, your voice so strong.
Okay, what about now? Can you hear me well? So we are going to start with exercise 5. Okay. Now, Mai, I want you to listen and answer the question in number 1. What types of clothing do you never wear and why? What about you, Sarah? What are the things that you don't like to wear and why?
A jean. Oh, what book is it? I don't know.
What do you mean book? Can you see the book? Yes or no?
Uh, what
Can you see
page?
the book?
Yeah. Page.
All right. Can you see exercise 5? Discuss the questions. Can you see it, Mai and Sarah?
I don't see. I don't see any. What page?
Let me share it again.
What is page?
Can you
I
see
don't
it?
know.
Can you see it now?
I have. I don't know what page it.
This one. I want you to look at your screen. It doesn't have a page. It just have
I have a
5.
book, but
Then
I
discuss
don't know
the
what
question.
page is it.
Oh, well, we are now in page 14, unit 2. Can you follow?
Okay.
All right. What about you, Mai? Do you have a physical book with you?
Yes.
Oh, very good. So I want you to turn your page into unit 2, page 14. Page 14, unit 2, exercise 5. So we are here now. So again, I want you to listen and answer in a complete sentence. Let's start again. So, question number 1 for you, Sarah. What do you like wearing, and what are the clothes that you don't like to wear? Then why?
Because it's um sometimes I don't like wear it because I it don't beautiful and sometimes I see and very uh badly.
Oh, so you don't like wearing a pair of jeans because sometimes you don't see yourself beautiful with the jeans, right?
Yes.
All right. Thank you for sharing that one, Sarah. So what about the clothes that you like to wear? What are those?
I like wear a shirt and a t-shirt
Very good. Okay, what about you,
and
Mai?
sports
What are
clothes.
great. What about you, Mai? What are the type of clothings that you never wear and why? Yes, Mai?
Yes.
What are the clothes that you don't like to wear?
It's a trouser.
Trouser. Okay, why is that?
It's very hot.
That's right. I definitely agree with you, especially on a summer day, Mai. Great job. Okay, so Sarah, do you generally prefer smart or casual clothes? Why? Yes, Sarah? How about you, Mai? What do you
Yes,
prefer? Smart or
I love it.
casual clothes?
I love it for dress.
Oh, a dress belongs to, it actually depends to what kind of dress. Dress can be casual or smart. But in general, Mai, when you go when you go to what do you usually wear every day? Smart or casual clothes? Do you know what is smart and casual clothes?
Yeah.
Okay, when we say smart clothes, those are um formal clothes that we use that many of the professionals or business women wear it. It's like long sleeve, long skirt, trousers. Those are smart clothes that business people wear whenever that they work or whenever they meet their client. Okay, and when we say casual clothes, those are just jeans, skirt, short, shirt, t-shirt, dress, simple dress like that. Okay. Ka- Smart clothing, we can also wear a formal dress with it. So what do you prefer, my casual or smart clothes? Yes, my.
Yes.
Do you like to wear formal or casual clothes? All right, you probably don't know what is the difference between casual and formal clothes. Now, I want you to look at your screen. When we say smart clothes, here are the examples. This is what most of the professionals wear at work. Okay, that's for men, suits and tie. Okay, then for women, this is what they wear. Okay, look at them. They are in smart clothes. They look professional and smart. But when we say casual clothes, those are what we usually wear wherever you go, a t-shirt, pair of jeans, coat, like that. Those are casual clothes. Okay, so what do you generally prefer, Mai and Sarah? Casual or smart clothes? Oh, can you hear me well, Sarah and Mai?
Ye- Yes.
Oh, why is it that you're taking forever to answer? Do you understand now the difference between casual and smart clothes? Oh, by the way, Mai and Sarah, do you still want to learn
Yes.
or should we end the class now?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, then answer immediately and pay attention. I don't want to waste my time and waste your parents' money um just for having this class that is not efficient. Do you understand? Okay. So now I want you to answer the question in number two, Mai and Sarah. What do you prefer wearing? Smart or casual clothes? Yes, Mai? What about you, Sarah? Last question. How important is it for you to wear trendy clothes, Sarah? All right, bye.